Hi, I'm Atmadarshan, Laura Santoro of Dharmic Kshetra Yoga, sharing with you today some of my favorite yoga techniques that I do daily to help keep my joints healthy, prevent arthritis, and also they just feel really good before, during, or after work, especially computer work. These simple practices are called Pawanmuktasana, part one. In some traditions, that means movement that frees up your energy, also called joint freeing techniques in other traditions for reasons which may become obvious. There are many of these techniques. We'll just do a few here that can give you a wonderful reset anytime during your day. Start by bringing one of your hands up. It can be very close to the body, can be off to the side, can be extended like a picture frame, even up high, wherever feels good to you. For me, this feels good today. Inhale and stretch through the fingers and thumb. And exhale, make a little fist. Thumb can be in or out. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, squeeze. Two more. Stretch. Squeeze. Stretch. Squeeze. And then open the hands, have the fingers close and pull the hand back toward the body. Then press forward. You can even curl the fingers under if that feels good. Inhale back. Press. Back. Press. Two more. And after this, smooth the wrists in circles. One direction first, breathing normally. Other direction. Elbow. I'm going to have my arm out front for this one. Inhale. Exhale, bend the elbow, bring the hand toward the shoulders. Inhale. Reach and exhale. Stretch. Bend. Stretch. Bend, and one more. And leave the hand near the shoulder and take the shoulder in a circle. You can use the elbow to make the shoulder bigger if you wish, or just roll the shoulder. Good. Breathe whatever way works for you. Then change direction. One more. And then let that arm come down. Rest it. And whatever arm you were just using, tip the head toward that side. Good. Tip away. Tip toward. Tip away. Center. Feel any difference between the two arms? Some people notice the joints feel a little looser. Their arm might feel bigger or longer. It just feels good. We did one side at a time just to show you how powerful and effective these approachable techniques can be. Let's balance you out. Do know if you do these on your own, you can do both. sides at the same time, but now going to your second side. Inhale, stretch the hand wherever you might be holding it. Exhale, squeeze. Stretch. Squeeze. Stretch. Great. Squeeze. 2 more. And then opening the hand, drawing it back for the wrists. Squeeze. You can let your eyes close and just feel this movement. Inhale back. Exhale, press. You can bend those fingers. Back. And forward. Back. And forward. And one more time. Good. And then gentle fist and circle the wrists. Take that wrist circle the other way. Things might feel different on this side as you take your arm into whatever straight position you like. You might want it held differently than on the first side. Stretch through the fingers, breathe in, breathe out, bend. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Extend. Bend. 2 more. Then when the hand comes toward the shoulder roll, either just moving the shoulder in the socket or adding the elbow. The more the elbow moves, the more deeply the stretch can go into the socket. It's breathing regularly. Other direction. And when this rotation is done, let that arm come down. You might feel a little more balanced side to side. We'll do one more neck movement. Dipping the chin either a little bit or more toward the chest. Neck smiles. Take the chin toward one shoulder. Let it come back down toward the center and take the chin to the other shoulder. Let it come down to the center. Continue. And when it comes to the second shoulder this time, lift the head up, take a deep breath in and out. I hope this short practice of the Pamuktasana or joint freeing techniques has been of benefit to you. Feel free to come back to it at any time. Check out our other videos for ways you might find increased comfort and well-being through yoga.